In this video, I want to talk about the 5 ways I find out the end value of my property projects. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Ravinder Singh Aujla, and on this channel we talk about how you can grow a property portfolio quicker and faster than a normal investor, how investing works and what smart investors look for, how finance works and how you can use it to your advantage, personal development and growth which allows us to live happier, healthier and more productive lives. So let's get into this video. When looking for property projects to buy, refurbish, rent and refinance, these are the 5 ways I sense check the end valuation. I will always look for at least 3 sold comparables that meet this criteria. 1. I look for sold properties within a quarter mile of my project. If this doesn't yield any results, I'll go within half a mile. 2. I look for recent sales the last 6 months. 3. I will filter the filters to ensure I'm comparing like with like. If I'm looking at a flat, I'll filter for a flat, or if I'm looking at a house that's a terraced house, I'll filter for a terraced house. Also, I'll make sure that I'm comparing leasehold with leasehold and freehold with freehold properties. 4. I will look at properties for sale in the immediate area on Rightmove. I will make a note of the estate agent that sold it and call them to find out if they can give me an indication of what it's sold for and if they have any sold comparables they could send me. If that doesn't yield any results, I will ask the 3 biggest agents in my local area their view on what the property will be worth. The reason I ask the 3 biggest agents in my area is that normally when a sale goes through, it can take 3 to 6 months for that entry to hit land registry and therefore Rightmove sold prices. By speaking with these agents, it helps you to ensure that you are valuing your property using the latest data. 5. I will use this information to put together a valuation pack which I will present to the surveyor on valuation day. And after, it's fingers crossed. On screen you can see an example of a pack which we provide to the surveyor on valuation day, which normally includes the before and after photos, a schedule of the works and sold comparables. On screen you can see a schedule of works. It's always useful to include a schedule of works because this shows the surveyor how much money you've spent and it reflects in the finish of the apartment. These are the sold comparables that we had for this particular project. So you can see that the sold prices were 412, 350, 390, 400. Please check out the YouTube video for this project in Vauxhall. The purchase price of this property was £290,000 as a 1-bedroom apartment, and after 6 months of ownership, we got it valued at £390,000. If you like this video, please smash that like button and hit subscribe so that you get notified when I release another video. Make sure you are subscribed as I will pick a subscriber at random and have a 10-minute call with you to see how I can help you on your property investing journey. Please check out my personal website, ravinderorgula.com, where I have lots of free videos on property investing and service accommodation. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.